Hello, this is Matthew Pagan from my web development final project. So this is my login page, but from here I haven't logged in, haven't registered. I can go view the movies that are currently playing in my theater. I got 3 right up here right now. Got Kill Bill, 12 Angry Men, Infinity War. So I can see my ticket purchases if I was logged in, or purchase a ticket. So I go to try to purchase a ticket. Of course, it takes me back to my login page. You must be signed in to view this page. So let's sign in just as any old user. Or let's create a profile first. So hi at Gmail. I think I already used hi, so I'm going to say John at gmail.com. Password, full name, John. Register the account. Your account has been created, so John at gmail.com. Login. And now when I click on these purchase tickets buttons, I can click my tickets. I got Kill Bill, Infinity War, purchase 12 Angry Men. Ticket purchases, and I can sign out right here. Now if I sign in as my admin account, now the admin page will appear. I couldn't see that before. So let's go to the admin page. So this admin page will show everything I have right now showing at the movie theater. I can edit them, I can delete them. I will, so delete. It's gone from my server. So I want to insert a new movie. I just deleted Infinity War. I didn't mean to do that. So I need to add that back to the theater. I'm going to insert a movie. Add my file, got my Infinity War picture right here. Upload. And that shows, yes, it's uploaded. So I have 2 of them now, but it shows the image and the title, because I'm going to need that title. So, as the admin, I'm just going to copy and paste that, return to my admin page, and I can just go back to see the list of pictures I have in my movie theater. Return to the admin page. I'm going to update a theater. So, I copy and pasted my image that I have from my movies page, title, Infinity War. Price of the movies, I've got $7.99. Sure, description, Thanos kills people. With that, now it's in my movie theater, so I go back to my right now. There, it's back. And with my new description, Thanos kills people. Now I can go back to my admin page, insert a movie. Nope, sorry. See movies listing. I can delete them from my server here. So delete. I'll show you Mongo real quick. And there's my images. Only one now. My customers with all my accounts. This one's the admin and all the created ones, including John that I just created. And so the workaround I used to be able to add an image to my movie screen was I created this movies to use page where I can copy and paste the image title. So that gives me the workaround when I'm trying to update a theater and I need the image.